Hello friends, we're back with more videos from out on the water. Before we get to the action, our hearts go out to those in Germany and Belgium as they start to pick up the pieces from the recent catastrophic flooding. If you know of a reliable fundraising effort, please share the link with us at info@halloverinlet.com and we'll post it in our Facebook group. Now back to the action on the water. We start out with our friend Prokat Katarov. He rents boats in St. Petersburg, Russia, and he's famous for his towing feats with his Lexus GX. According to him, the big trucks we use to tow over here in the US, they're just not that common over there. As you may have seen in his previous videos, the boat he pulls through town absolutely dwarfs his tow rigs. Recently, the poor, overworked diff in his Lexus finally gave up. It's been patched up and put back in service since, though. He says he's going to keep this Lexus going because he considers it more reliable than the newer ones.
Holy Gavin, you're a fucking. Holy fuck!
I feel like I'm not moving. No, we're moving.
Yeah, buddy, you're moving.
We're not moving. Yeah, we're moving.
Qualified.
Oh boy.
Good day! Oh no! Bit of a drink. Yeah. Yeah, that was like 34. Bruh. Jesus, it wasn't there yesterday.
How about that? He's about to go under, though. This dude's fucking swimming in the middle of his fucking boat. Oh, nice catch.
Oops.
I'll get you a good price on it.
Certified.
que enganchó justito el canal. Ahí está, ahí se varó. Ahí lo vieron todos, miren cómo levantó el agua. Bueno, este barco fue el que salió.